Are you a caregiver for an aging loved one? Well, you're not alone. More than 65 million people worldwide provide care to seniors, and that number is expected to double in 30 years. That means there are millions of caregivers like you looking for support and information on how they can help their loved ones live happier as they age. We want to be here for you every step of the way with helpful resources, tips, advice, so that your life isn't turned upside down by caring for someone. In this video, you'll learn about the basics of caring for an aging parent and how to avoid burnout. Hi, I'm Han Brown, and I'm going to show you some helpful tips to care for aging parents so that they can continue to live independently at home as long as possible. The topic is, what would you like people to know about caring for an aging loved one? Well, first, keep them busy and productive. Encourage them to get out of the house and do something fun with you or with their friends. Keep the seniors active with games and activities. Schedule regular visits with friends and family to keep them from being isolated. Encourage socialization by inviting friends over or taking them out to lunch. Make sure that your loved one is still engaged with life by reading newspapers together or watching TV shows that they like. Offer them the chance to do activities that they enjoy, such as playing cards or going out to eat. Encourage your loved ones to stay active by taking walks and doing exercises with them. Also, maintaining health is huge. Keep a list of all the medications and supplements that they take and consult with their doctor if anything seems off. Make sure to keep them on a regular sleep schedule, even if they don't want to go to bed or wake up early. Make sure they have plenty of water, food, and exercise. Encourage them to eat healthy foods that are easy for them to chew and swallow, like mashed potatoes or soft fruits. Make sure that you have enough food on hand for them to eat if they cannot cook or shop for themselves anymore. Avoid making sudden changes in their environment. This can cause confusion and anxiety. Help them with their hygiene needs, including bathing and toileting. Know the warning signs of Alzheimer's. Learn about dementia and care techniques, including how to get someone dressed or bathe. Ensure that there are always fresh flowers throughout the house. This can provide comfort for those with dementia or Alzheimer's disease who often forget what day it is or where they are at times during the day. Find out what kind of medical coverage they have before making any big decisions about their care. If you want more content like this, then please subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can stay up to date with our weekly videos. If you want to get the most out of this video, make sure to watch to the end. We have some great information that will help you care for an aging loved one. Remember, honesty and openness are essential. Plan for the future. Prepare a will and a power of attorney. Have an open dialogue about their wishes, including where they want to live when they can no longer care for themselves. Try not to argue with them. Make sure that they know that they can tell you anything no matter what, even if it seems kind of silly. Talk to them about their feelings. Don't be afraid to ask questions or talk about difficult topics like death. Check in on them every day, even if it's just for a few minutes over the phone. Loneliness can be tough on an aging person's mental health. Offer encouragement when they're feeling down. It's important not to be negative around someone who is already struggling with depression or other mental health issues. Talk about how you can be there for them when they need it most. Stay positive, and again, try not to argue with your loved one. It will only upset them. Remember to take care of yourself. Give your time off from caring for an aging loved one. Give the responsibility over to someone else every now and then so that you don't get burned out. Keep yourself healthy. It will be harder to take care of someone else when you're not feeling well yourself. Make sure that you have a good support system. It's tough to care for someone with dementia all by yourself. So you might wonder, how should I talk to my aging parents about home care and other services? Well, start talking to your parents about it on a daily routine. Listen, ask follow-up questions, and be patient when they are talking to you. Ask open-ended questions about what is going well in their life and what is not working for them. Ask them how they feel every day and if there are any changes in mood or physical discomfort. Find out what's important to them. Do they want to stay in their home? Do they want more help with chores? Or do they want more social time? Have a conversation about how much independence your parents want, when they want it, and how often they need assistance. Be sensitive about the topic of home care services and don't pressure them into it if they aren't ready. Call a meeting with other family members. This will give you ideas for possible solutions that everyone can agree on. Be aware that your parent may feel that they're losing control over their lives as they age. Remind them that it's natural to worry about the future, but there are many things that you can do together to make sure everything will go smoothly. Keep in mind that physical and mental health decline as we age, so be prepared for their needs to change over time. Growing old isn't easy. It can be difficult to keep up with the changes in your loved one's health and behaviors, especially if you're caring for them on your own. But it doesn't have to feel overwhelming or impossible. There are many resources out there that can help make navigating this part of life a little easier, from home care providers who specialize in assisting seniors to local support groups for caregivers. If any of these options sounds appealing, reach out today. We can assist you in finding what works best both for you and your loved one to stay happy and healthy through this difficult time. Are you a senior seeking information about aging in today's society? Well, if so, this is the channel for you. Topics that we cover are senior housing, senior living, healthy living tips, caregiving, dementia, and much more. So please subscribe and turn on that notification button to keep up with our weekly videos.